Okay, it's Yolie, it's your former teammate. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to do the show makeup for your Winter Guard show. Before starting it, I wanted to say a couple of things. This makeup is not hard at all. It's just, you just have to follow instructions and try your best. Please try your best. There is some products I might use that you guys don't have or you guys don't have to use. I still will be saying the products I'm using just in case if some of you guys want to buy it, but the makeup lists are the only products you guys need to have that is required. Foundation, I know it was on the list and it wasn't highlighted with red, but that is something you guys will need because the makeup has a lot of dark colors such as red and black, which have a lot of pigment, and then your skin can look a little uneven or unmatched. So foundation is really important for this. I know a lot of you guys don't wear foundation, but if you can, please use that. And nothing, this makeup is not hard. It's just, you know, effort, and then you guys will be fine. Also, I did 2 makeup looks, and 2 makeup looks that I really like for you guys shows. Mr. Rod picked the one he wanted, so that's the one we're gonna do right now. And yeah, let's start. Before starting and doing my foundation, that's what I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna show you the foundation I'm using. I'm using this foundation. It's MAC Studio. Y'all can use whatever brand you guys want. I don't care. I'm using this one. If I'm looking this way, it's because my little mirror is right here. So yeah. I finally got to put my foundation. Girl, it wasn't coming out, but whatever. So now with a sponge, you know, you already know what to do. Make sure you get someone like, you know, here on your eyelids. You can use that as a primer or concealer for your eyes if you don't use concealer. So that's good for me. Now I'm gonna use a concealer. Like I said, some products I'm gonna use you guys don't have to use. You do need foundation. Concealer is optional, but I'm gonna use L'Oreal True Match. Y'all got it. Anyways, with these, it's like a little brush. It has like a little brush. I'm gonna go here and here. Here. Wow. And here. And then I'm gonna blend. And black is really strong, so you're just gonna use a little bit like this, you know, like rub it a little bit. Blow on it a little bit. And you're gonna make like a line. Like if you were doing eyeliner, you know? Like that. See it? I know you'll see that. And then you're gonna do the same thing for the other eye. It doesn't matter that this one's thicker and this one's not as thick because you're gonna blend it out regardless. Wow. You see, this is why you have to be really careful because black is really messy. Just make a line, okay? And now I'm gonna use my thicker one. Gonna tap it with the black one still. And you're just gonna like put the line, or not the line, the brush on the line, and you're just gonna do this. You see that? It goes with your eye shape. You're just gonna keep doing it. Y'all, I look like a bat and a, you know, bad B word. it. Well, actually, I'm lying. That's not it. But you are gonna look like this. That's what it's gonna look like. I went and did my other eye. I didn't record it because it was hard, but the reason why this shape is like this because it resembles a mask, a spy mask, just like you guys show. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Right, easy. I went ahead, I'm gonna clean my brush. After this, it's easy. I'm gonna grab a big brush just to clean my powder. I don't want to use this one. Hey brushes, where you at? Oh, I'm gonna use this one. Just clean everything. With the same flat brush, you can do what we're about to do next, but make sure the black is out because it can get your eyeshadow messy or your eye messy. So I'm gonna just use another flat brush. You don't have to do that, you can use the same one. And we are gonna use the lipstick actually. This is the lipstick. This lipstick, you need to make sure you get it. It's this one. I've used it already, so whatever. So with the flat brush, the one you're gonna use or whatever brush you're gonna use next, you're gonna grab the brush and you're not gonna stab it, but you're gonna tap it like this. And you're gonna make sure it has a little bit of red. And you're gonna go underneath your eyes, right here, on your waterline. And you're gonna put it there. Like that. And you're gonna do the same for the other eye. Don't put a lot because this lipstick is really strong. But make sure you can see that red. So now, with the same brush, it's okay. You're gonna use this orangey red. The reason why I made you guys put that red lipstick under is because the red on the palette is kind of orangey, and I needed to make sure it looks really red. So we're gonna use this orangey one to blend it out, and we're gonna go over it. We're gonna go over it so it looks kind of like a smoky eye, but not really. It's just this red needs to pop out a lot. You see how I can see that there's a red waterline underneath my eyes? Ugh, this music. Oh my god, let's see. No, this song's sad. I'm gonna change it. Hold on, guys. I gotta put this one. Anyways, so you see? I put my lashes. What the heck? Put my lashes. These are my natural lashes, but I didn't feel like putting my real ones. Even though I put glue on them. I know, crazy, but you still do need mascara because you need to do your bottom lashes, because if not, your eyes just gonna look like it has red on the waterline. That's weird. Like little things like this make you know. Oh, I just broke my eye. It makes it a little different, you know. You see, like my eyes look really like popping. Anyways, so now we're just gonna put the lipstick on. And when you're done with the lipstick, you're gonna grab a tiny brush or any brush. I'm gonna grab this one, and you're gonna use the highlighter. This highlighter is really buttery. You're gonna put some on the brush, and you're gonna put some here. You're gonna put a lot actually. You're gonna try to make a circle shape. And you see? Wow. Beautiful. Anyways, that was the show makeup for you guys. Super easy. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to ask me. The highlighter, you can also put it anywhere else, here, here, or here. If you want to do your eyebrows, you're welcome to do your eyebrows. I just don't ever do mine, but that's on you. And yeah, that's it. Like I said, if you guys have any more questions, ask me, and make sure you try. This makeup is not hard. You can see on my eyes how you can still see some white in my eye. My skin colors, it cannot be a whole black eye, because if not, that is wrong. That's not the makeup. So make sure you get the eyes right. The lipstick, easy part, and then a big water line with red. I will make sure to help you guys get the makeup correct, or help you guys do the makeup whenever it is your showtime. I'll be there to help. Some people, obviously I can't do the makeup for everybody, but I will sure try.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.